Hello, my name is Jose Ramirez. I am the author of the book Diamonds or Rocks. And this is a book that when you read it, you will never be the same. What life is all about, it's a mindset. As you can see in this picture, some people are very sad and some people are very happy. And it's all about a mindset. Diamonds and Rocks, one, is a concept that will take you to a different level of inner understanding. Second, you will be able to see the things that are stopping you from achieving your dreams and goals. Third, this is a book about developing the awareness to see those elements that are harming your mind. Number fourth, you will be able to distinguish their power and what it does to you. Fifth, you will be able to see that your mind is at risk and action to fix it, it's a must. Number six, you will be able to see where our inner problem starts and also how we are blindfolded so our creativity and greatness decrease. You are going to become aware what really belongs in your mind and what doesn't. Number eight, you will be able to help others in a more effective way instead of you telling them that they have a problem, therefore making it more easier for you to explain.